Welcome back my YouTube channel. Phi qua ban grandparent bên kane kaching hikai kan yarap yapi lada pios ngeu ching mentoy na kane ka video wanam glad ban share like and subscribe ya kane ka channel alengen yapet ya kane kaching hikai English to Kasi. What are you waiting for? Kasi pi up I'm waiting for my friends. Kasi nga dang up ya gibarlak jonga. My friends is always late. Kasi gibarlak jonga gishaislam barabar. I'm tired of waiting. Kasi nga lathay ban up. When is your birthday? Kasi lano kasni ka jongpi. My birthday is on 1st of April. Kasi kasni ka jonga kaday hagak chitarik u April. What years were you born? Kasi usnam ayu akayapi. I was born in 2000. Yanga laka ha usnam hajar. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Kasi kanongut kipara kihmen piyadon. What is your favorite colors? Kasi kae karong kapapi itanan. My favorite color is black, red, and white. Kasi karong banga itanan kaday kabayong basaw bat balik. What sports do you like? Kasi kae kajing yele kai kabapis ngeu tanan. I like football. Kasi ngas ngeu tanan ya ka football. I can wait to see you again. Kasi ngamla ab banyo ibiyang yapi. I feel sad without you. Kasi ngas ngeu kuslay klem mapi. You bring joy to my life. Kasi pi wanra jingkemen haga jingim joka. You inspire me. Kasi pi I mensen yanga. What do you want to be in the future? Kasi kaay pikwa banlong na shy la shisni. What time did you get up? Kasi kano baje pi shay care tia. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. Kasi na shay care tia san baje. Thank you for your advice. Kasi kublay shibun ya gajing ai jingmut jongpi. Thank you for inviting us. Kasi kublay shibun ya gajing khot jongpi yanga. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye.